Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling something super useful: how to use video calls on your Android device in 2025. With advancements in AI and better connectivity, video calling has become even more seamless and fun. Whether you're connecting for work, chatting with friends, or catching up with family, this guide will have you set up in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure your Android phone or tablet is running the latest software update. In 2025, devices come with enhanced features like automatic background blur and improved video stability, so updating is key for the best experience. Step 1. Open your favorite video calling app. Options like Google Meet, Zoom, or the built-in Android video dialer are popular and packed with new features. If you don't have one installed, head to the Google Play Store and download it quickly. It's free. Step 2. Sign in with your account. Most apps use your Google or email login, making it effortless. If you're new, creating an account takes just a minute. Step 3. Tap on Start a New Call or New Meeting. You'll see options to add participants by entering their email, phone number, or selecting from your contacts. Step 4. Before joining, the app will ask for permissions. Grant access to your camera and microphone. Don't worry, you can always adjust these in your settings later. Step 5. Once connected, explore the cool 2025 features. Try the AI-enhanced video effects, like virtual backgrounds or real-time filters, to make your calls more engaging. A quick tip: for crystal clear video, position yourself in a well-lit room and ensure a stable internet connection. If you run into issues, check for app updates or restart your device. And there you have it. You're all set for video calls on Android in 2025. It's that simple and effective. Give it a try today and let me know in the comments how it goes. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.